Okay, students. So far we have discussed about empty sets and the different forms of the representation of a set, that is roster form and set builder form. So today we'll study something about finite and infinite set. So can anyone tell me what do you mean by finite? Word ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Can you understand? Can anyone tell me the meaning? What kind of the sets might it be? Definition already it has been displayed on the screen. So finite sets anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a set which contains either it should be empty, okay? A set which is empty, ಒಂದಾದು empty set ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ finite number of elements. Finite number of elements ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you can count those elements, like ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. You can say this has 10 elements, okay? The number you can predict ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Then such kind of sets are called as finite sets. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೌಂಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನಿಲ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ 20 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸೆಟ್, ಓಕೆ, either finite set is, so in order to be finite set, either it should be empty, okay, either it should be empty or it should contain finite number of elements. Finite number of elements means you can count the number of elements, like you can give a precise count, you can give a precise count ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Only such sets are called as finite sets. So if it has infinite set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ, ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ then it is called as infinite set. So already if Tasmia has told me an example for finite set. So for finite set I can say the days of a week. So in a day, in a week how many days you have? In a week how many days you have? ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ? How many days you have? 7. See, you can count that, correct? 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. You have a definite finite number. So that is a finite set. Can anyone tell me an example for infinite set? Can anyone give me an example for infinite set? Infinite set. Infinite. It should not be set. Okay, set of points in a line. Okay, natural numbers. Yes, good. Stars in the sky. Yes. See, my students are very good. They can understand maths. They can see maths. Yes, good students. Okay. Okay, fine. Good. So, okay. So now can you see some pictures over here? So can you tell me out of this which are the finite sets and which are the infinite set? First, let me fishes in lake. Okay, yeah, natural numbers is an infinite set. Okay, okay, I'll ask, what about the rainbow, whether it is a finite set or infinite set? Colors in the rainbow, it is finite. Okay, what about the second one? You can see in the first set we have 3 elements, in the second set we have 4 emojis, in the third set we have alphabets. So what about this set, this particular part? It is finite. What about the third one? It is nothing but the alphabets in the English, right? So it is also finite. What does this picture says? Fourth one. What about fourth one, students? Infinite, because you cannot count the stars, correct? You cannot count the stars. That's why we say when someone asks you about something which where you need an answer to be vast anta helbeku, tumba anta helbeku anta helidre we say it as stars tara, the number of stars anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ stars are infinite, you cannot count the number of stars. Okay, okay, so you know the definition of finite set and infinite set. Okay, moving on. Now can anyone tell me the answers for these questions? Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Okay, so we'll start with the first one. We'll start with the first one. What is the set? Set of all x such that x belongs to n and x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so you have to, in this set, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈ set ಅಲ್ಲಿ, you have to include the natural numbers. Okay, you have to include the natural numbers. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. Okay, so you have to include the natural numbers. But it is not the only one condition. ಅದು ಒಂದೇ condition ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು condition ಇದೆ. ಏನು? Only those natural number where it solves this equation. Okay, so what is the equation? X minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? So when the product is 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡು number multiply ಆದಾಗ we are getting the answer to be 0. So when the product is 0, it means either the first term can be 0, that is x minus 1 can be 0, or x minus 2 can be 0. Correct? So what is the answer for x? What are the answer for x, or what are the elements in that particular set? What are the elements in that particular set? Okay, x is equal to 1. Okay, here x is equal to 2. So both 1 and 2 are natural numbers. So this set contains how many elements? 2 elements. The elements are nothing but 1 comma 2. So what kind of set it is? Finite or infinite? What kind of set it is? Finite or infinite? It is finite because we can count the number. It is finite number. Okay, fine, good. So we can move for the second question. Second question. I need the answer first. I need what are the elements in the set, and then you can go whether it. Then you can tell me whether it is a finite set or a infinite set. Okay. What is the second question says? Okay. Set of all x such that x belongs to natural number and x square should be equal to 4. Okay. So you have to include only natural numbers. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. But which natural number? It should satisfy this equation. X square is equal to 4 implies x is equal to square root plus or minus square root of 4. What is plus or minus square root of 4? What is square root of 4? It is 2. So x can be either plus 2 or minus 2. Correct? X can be either plus 2 or minus 2. But we have to take only the natural number. So what is that natural number over here? Out of plus 2 and minus 2, you have to take only plus 2. Okay. So it is a finite set because it has only one element which is finite. Okay. So moving on to the third question. Third question, students. Can anyone tell me the answer for the third question? Like what are the elements in that set and what kind of set it is? Third one. Third one. What is the element in that set? You have to write. Okay. What is the exam question? X is such that x belongs to n and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So you have to include the natural numbers. In madbeku, you have to natural numbers and include madbeku. But yava tarada natural numbers which satisfy this equations. Okay. So what is the what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. But what is the equation? 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve for x. What is the value of x you get? 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to half. Okay. So now I have to write the value of x. Okay. I have to write the value of x, which is a natural number. So can I find any element over here? Whether any element belongs to this set? Whether half is a natural number? Half is a natural number? No. So what about the set? Does it contain any element? Does it contain any element? No, it does not contain any element. So what kind of set it is? If it has no element, what kind of set it is? Infinite. If it has no element. Just before we began the class, someone told me the definition of empty set. Yeah, if it has no element, it is empty set. Correct? If it has no element, then it is empty set. Then if it is empty, whether it is finite or infinite. If it is empty, whether it is finite or infinite. Remember the definition. Okay, see, there are some doubt again. Go through the definition again. Finite sets are those sets. Finite sets are those sets which is either empty, okay, which is either empty or it consists of finite number of elements. Andre empty set kuda finite set anta heliddu. Correct? Okay, empty set is always a finite set because we can see ಅಲ್ಲಿ zero elements ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Finite set in artha enta, what do you mean by finite set? If you can say a definite number ishte ide adra olagade ee set olage ishte elements ide anta ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ then it is finite set. Empty set andre how many number of elements it has? If it is an empty set, how many number of elements it has? How many number of elements it has? Zero. So zero is a finite number, right? So what kind of set it is? Empty set is a empty set is a empty set is a what kind of yeah, it is finite set. Remember, always empty set is a finite set. Okay, okay. So we'll move on to the fourth question. What about the fourth question? You have to write all the natural numbers which is odd. You have to write all the natural numbers which is odd. So can anyone tell me what are the natural numbers which is odd? So what are the elements in that particular set? Fourth question. What are the elements in that particular set? Set of all x. Okay, set of all x such that x is a natural number. So when you say natural number, you have to start from 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. Okay, but you have to write only the odd natural number. So which are the odd natural numbers? Which are the odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and it goes on. Okay, so what kind of set it is? Finite or infinite? Finite or infinite? What kind of set it is? It is infinite set. Yakant helidre end agudilla. Correct? Natural numbers is a infinite set. Remember students, our natural numbers, then rationals, then your real numbers, integers, irrational numbers, all these are infinite sets because numbers namage end agudilla. Adikkondu end anta we don't have an end for the numbers. So number sets, whether either it is natural numbers, rationals, irrationals, integers, real numbers, ivellanu infinite set. Remember this, all these are infinite set. Okay, all these are infinite set. Okay, coming to the fifth question. It is set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is prime. And x is prime. So what are the elements in the set? What are the elements in the set? What are the elements in the set, students? What are the elements in the set? Fifth question. Okay, this is prime. This is not odd. So what are the elements? You have to write all those natural numbers which are prime. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by prime? What do you mean by prime numbers? What do you mean by prime numbers? Prime numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. No. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. All these are even numbers. What is prime number? The number which is multiple, which can be divided by 1 and itself. Okay, correct? Prime numbers yavdalla. So it starts from which number? Prime numbers starts from. So prime numbers anta helidre a number inda matte 1 inda matra divide agbeku. It should not be divided by any other numbers. I had told you prime number starts from 2. Prime numbers starts from 2. 1 is not a prime number. Prime number starts from 2. So it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and it goes on. Okay, and it goes on. So what kind of set it is? What kind of set it is? Finite or infinite? It is infinite set. Okay, it is infinite set. So whenever we have dots continuing, ಈ ರೀತಿ dot ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು continue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ immediately you can write it is an infinite set. Okay, immediately you can write it is an infinite set. Okay, fine. So is this clear, students? So now you know the definition of finite and infinite sets, right? If you have any doubt, please put it in the chat box. Okay, so we'll move on. Next kind of set is equal sets. Okay, next is equal sets. So what do you mean by equal sets? Equal means, see, the two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements and we write A is equal to B. Okay, so what do you mean by this? So when you have to say equal sets, you should have two sets, set A and set B. Okay, yavaga equal anta helteve? Suppose we'll take an example and then we'll understand the definition. Suppose set A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and set B is equal to E, I, A, O, U. Okay, set A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Set B is equal to E, I, A, O, U. Okay, so you can see that these two sets are equal sets. Okay, we say these two sets are equal sets. So why these two sets are equal? First point, the number of elements in set A and number of elements in set B are equal. Can you see that? Okay, illest elements ide in set A you have 5 elements. Okay, in set B you have 5 elements. First condition is it should have same number of elements in both the sets. Second condition is whatever the element you have here, okay, whatever the elements you have in set A, the same element should be in set B. Okay, so what is the first element in set A? It is A. So can you find element in the element A in set B? Yes, you have the same element. Next element is E. The same element is present in set B as well. The third element is I. You can see that I is present in set B as well. And the fourth element is O. And you can see O is present in set B as well. And the fifth element is U. And you can see U is in B as well. So when can we say that two sets are equal or equal sets? If it has same number of elements. Eradu set allu elements same number of elements should be same. Andre ಎಷ್ಟು count ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು same ಇರಬೇಕು. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ elements ಇರುತ್ತೆ the same element the set B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳು set B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, so if it is not equal or if it does not satisfy any of this, then it is said to be unequal. Artha aita? Did you understand, students? Did you understand? Did you understand? So suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 1, 4, 3. So what about this? Whether A and B are equal sets? Whether A and B are equal sets, students? Okay, so what about this? Those are equal sets. Okay, so I'll give one more example. Okay, so let me see who will give me the answer. Set A is set of prime numbers. Okay, set A is set of prime numbers. Set of prime numbers less than 6. Okay, set A is set of prime numbers less than 6 and set B is 2, 3, 5. Okay, set A is set of prime numbers less than 6 and set B is 2, 3, 5. Whether A and B are equal sets? Whether A and B are equal sets? Yes. Why it is equal? What are the elements in set A? What are the elements in set A? You have to write the elements. You have to write those elements which are prime numbers and which is less than 6. Okay, so yaudella prime numbers start agodu 2, 3, 5, correct? It goes on. So we have to write the prime numbers which is less than 6. So it is 2, 3, 5. Okay, so you can see that both are equal. So A is equal to B. So I hope you are clear with the definition of equal sets. Yes, A is equal to B. Okay, fine. We'll move on. So here you can see, okay. Can you tell me what about the first example, whether it is an equal set? First example, whether it is an equal set? Whether it is an equal set? Yes, A is equal to B. Because see, here you have 3 elements, here also you have 3 elements, and the elements inside the set are exactly the same. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. Order ಮಾತ್ರ change ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. So if you go for the second one, which are the equal sets over here? Which are the equal sets? A, B, C ಮೂರಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ equal set ಆಗ್ತದೆ? Which among the 3 are equal sets? A is equal to B. What about C? Whether B and C are equal sets? What about B and C? No, B and C are not equal sets because you can see M is missing, S is missing, L is missing in C, correct? So in the second example, you can see A and B are equal sets. What about example 3? Whether E and F are equal sets? What about example 3? Whether E and F are equal sets? E and F. Remember the definition. ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸಹ ಇರಬೇಕು, but it should be exactly the same elements. Okay, here you can see set E ಮತ್ತೆ F ಅಲ್ಲಿ how many elements E has? E has 3 elements. F also has 3 elements. So first condition satisfy ಆಗಿದೆ. But what are the elements inside set E? These are nothing but emojis, correct? But in set F we have numbers. So equal agbekadre it should have exactly same elements, but here the elements are different, so it is not equal or unequal. Okay, so here E is not equal to F. E is not equal to F. Okay, so we'll move on. Okay, so can anyone tell me which are the pairs of equal sets here in this question? Which are the pairs of equal sets? So before finding whether it are which are the equal sets, first we'll write what are the elements. Okay, so set A contains only 0. What about set B? What about set B, students? What are the elements in set B? What are the elements in set B? What are the elements in set B? You have to write X. Okay, you have to write X. Okay, I have missed some point here. X belongs to N. Okay, X belongs to natural number. Okay, X belongs to natural number and X should be greater than 15. Okay, X should be greater than 15 and X should be less than 5. So X should be less than 5. So what are the elements? You have to write the elements which are less than 5. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and you have to write the elements which are greater than 15. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and it goes on. Okay. What about set C? Set of all X such that X belongs to N and X minus 5 is equal to 0. So what is the element? X minus 5 is equal to 0 implies what is the value of X? X is equal to 5. So this contains 5. Okay, coming to D. So set of all x such that x square is equal to 25. Here we, okay, so if I say x belongs to n and x square is equal to 25, so x square is equal to 25 implies x is equal to plus or minus square root of 25. So that is plus or minus 5. But we have to write only the natural number. So 5. So which are the equal sets over here? So which are the equal sets over here? C is equal to D, correct? C and D are equal sets. Okay, so we'll move on. So so here you have some more questions. You have to identify which among the following are examples for null set. Okay, which among the following are example for null set. So null set anta helidre, what is the definition of null set? Null set, what is the definition? What is the definition of null set? Empty set which does not contain which does not contain any element. So you have to tell me which are the null sets over here or empty sets over here. Okay. So first question is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So you have to write those natural numbers, okay, which is divisible by 2. Also it should be odd. Odd numbers 2 in the divide ಆಗ್ತದಾ? Can odd numbers be divided by 2? Can we divide odd numbers by 2? No. So what are the do we have any elements in this particular set? Do we have any elements in this particular set? No. So this is a null set, correct? This is a null set. Okay. Second question. Set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. What about the second one, students? You have to write the even prime numbers. First, you remember the prime numbers. Prime number starts from 2, 3, 5, 7 and it goes on. Correct? So, idralli even number idya? Can you find any even number which is prime number? Can you find an even number which is prime number? Yes. What is it? It is 2. So, it contains element. So, whether this is a null set? Whether this is a null set, students? Is it a null set? No. So this is not a null set. It is not a null set because we have one element inside the set. Okay, coming to the third question. Set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number and x should be less than 5 and x should be greater than 7. Okay, x is a natural number. X should be less than 5 and x should be greater than 7. Okay. So what about the third one, whether it is a null set or not a null set? Third one. See, here you are making a mistake, Soundarya. Okay. Yeah. Why? Because in helidare x is a natural number anta helidare. Okay. So x is a natural numbers andre 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on. But ashte alla nama condition. You have to write those x, okay, you have to write those natural numbers which is less than 5 as well as which is greater than 7. Okay, you have to write those natural numbers which is less than 5 as well as greater than 7. Okay, andre a x ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, x 7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? See, you should write an example x which is less than 5 also. ಈಗ ನೀವು less than 5 natural numbers ಯಾವ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? 4 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 is less than 5. Whether 4 is greater than 7? Whether 4 is greater than 7? Okay, if you say x is less than 5, the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Whether these elements are greater than 7? No. So what about this set? So what about this set? It is a null set. It should satisfy both the conditions, Tasmiya. Okay. It should satisfy both the conditions. So this is a null set. Okay. The fourth question. X is a point common to any two parallel lines. So what do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines andreno? What do you mean by parallel lines, students? Parallel lines. Parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel. Symbol even I know Tasmia. The symbol is parallel. I mean, what do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines do not intersect. Okay. So adar madhye yavadadru common point irlikke chance idya? So as Angel told, they do not intersect. Correct. So is there any chance that we get a common point between them? No. So what kind of set it is? What about the fourth set? It is a null set or not a null set? It is a null set. Okay. So we'll move on. Okay. So I'll discuss some 2-3 questions out of this, and rest is a homework. Okay, because we are running out of the time, students. Okay. What about the first one? The set of months of a year. What is this? Whether it is a finite set or an infinite set? First question, the sets of months in a year. How many months you have in a year? How many months? You have 12, so it is a finite set. What about the second one? 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. What about the second one? Okay. What about the second one? It is a infinite set. End ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, correct? The dot doesn't end, it goes on. Correct? So it is an infinite set. What about the third one, students? What about the third one? It is a finite set because set in olagade how many elements you have inside the set? How many elements you have inside the set? Yes, it is finite. How many elements you have? 100. Yes. The other question, take it as a homework question. Take a screenshot of this. Okay. Take this as homework. Okay. Have you taken the screenshot? Yes. Okay. So I'll move on. Okay. So this also you can take as homework. You have to state whether the given sets are equal or not. Okay. What about the first one? Whether it is an equal set. What about the first one, students? Whether it is an equal set. Whether it is an equal set. Yes, it is equal. Okay. What about the second one? What about the second one? Take the screenshot of this also. Take it as homework. Okay. Take it as homework, students. Yeah, if you have done with the screenshot, please type yes. Okay, fine. You know the answer, but yeah, I hope you have taken the screenshot. Okay, fine. Okay, I hope you have understood the topics, whatever we have discussed today. Just revise it and do the homework when you come for the next class. Okay. You have any doubts, students? Okay. Am I too slow?